In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to edit two types of video hook. The first one is a hook of my edit and the second one is hook from the natt video. After that, I will share some awesome features of the online version of Capcut that you might not know about yet. It's got a bunch of cool stuff that will probably surprise you. Just a quick heads up, all the things I use in my video can be found in two places, either in the WhatsApp channel or on Discord. So make sure to join both, and Discord is a must. You will get some extra benefits, and if there's any important update, I will let you know on WhatsApp. You can find both of links in the description. Now let's get started with the video. I will play it so you can see what you will be able to do at the end of this tutorial.
How can we overcome procrastination?
As you can see, we have to edit this text effect. How can we overcome procrastination? This is the line opens, okay? Then it goes down. Then it moves the text from the bottom to the top. You can repeat this effect as much as you want into your text. Next is the natt video hook. If you have watched the Money Reel complete workflow video, I have already given you all the data like for this grid, falling wheel footage and snow effect as well. Okay, so now let's go step by step. The first simple thing is to select the text and create a caption. You already know it's simple. After that, turn off that layer for now because we are focusing on the voice only. Next, I will sync the voiceover with the text. Go to caption, adjust it. If I press enter, it appears in the bottom line. If you don't know the shortcuts here, then you have to take the cursor on this question mark and read out all the instructions. It will be very helpful when you are doing any new project. Now, I use this font, so you guys can take the font of your choice. From here, we have to select the title case. Focus one thing, like this is applied to all was unchecked. So due to this thing like this is unchecked, I applied on the first layer. If I applied the font and other things, so that is applied only one layer. So if you want to apply all the layer by once, so you need to check apply to all. And once you applied all the text like font and size, after that make sure once you change one by one, so you need to uncheck. It's very simple and important as well once we are play with subtitle. For animation, click on the first layer, go to animation and apply the fade in animation and adjusted the duration accordingly. Next, I have copied it and paste the layer above. But if you want, you can also add a new layer as default text. Now here in the second layer, we want a line. So how do we take that line? There are two ways to do this. Use the dash button and press as many times as long as you want a line. Then here, like the character properties and adjust the negative value so that look like it's just a one line. Okay, I mean dashes convert into lines. Other way, this is to select the underline here and then press the space key from your keyboard as long as you want the line length. So whenever you want to move your text layer from one place to another place, make sure to uncheck apply to all. And then add open animation, like under the animation. So I need to click on animation and then search for open. Once I select it and applied, now we will move to the adjust its duration place of this layer. After that, need to add keyframes here by clicking here position and size. And I put the second keyframe in this place. Now this is the text, okay? So for the first layer here, I am going to animate and add animation out, then wipe down. So this is the result in front of you. It should be set in a way that is similar to that. As soon as the line goes down, the text also goes down and the other text goes from top to bottom. Now we will move the text layer here and add animation in and then wipe down on it. Then go back to animation and fix its duration. Now look at the result like this. We have to move the next word from the bottom to top because the line that is now will go from the bottom to the top. So for that you have to do the same thing. It's the inverse. So we need to use the animation like for both in and out, that is wipe up, like I am doing in front of you. The important thing is that whenever you use your keyframe, you must use the keyframes graph. We just need to right click on it, show keyframe, and then use auto curve. It gives a nice and smooth result. Like, let me play and you notice. So that's all for the first hook. Next, now I am going to tell you how we are going to edit a hook like Iman Ghazi video. So the first thing you need to do, like we need a grid. I will provide you all the data link in the description. You guys can easily download. So after that, we have to use the next layer, which is snow effect. Need to zoom the snow layer to 100%. Now we are going to set up the flying dollar on the top of the snow layer. But if you want your bill to be more prominent, for that need to rotate it up to 90 degree. You can see dollar more clearly. Now I will keep the opacity at 23%. Then I am going to place next, that is Iman Ghazi PNG picture on the top of it. After that I will go to the filter. Like if you want black and white filter, so you need to go to mono and then select one filter that you want apply onto your video. For this, that is black and white 1, 2 and 3. But for this clip or for this video, like for this picture PNG, I am going to use black and white 3. Now we need to add the text layer. I already created a layer of live text. After this, we will adjust this layer on top of these layers. I use luxury font and I showed you all the adjustment. Now we need to apply or we need to add a duplicate text layer. We will use Gothic font and yellow color and also I will tell you how we will bring this light spark type effect inside the text. And the best, no need to install the font, like that is already inside the Capcut. Now I adjust it a little bit, zoom it. We are going to change the color to yellow. For the glow effect on the text, we need to use the noise. So for the noise effect, we need to click on effect and then search for noise. Click and drag on above of the text layer. So we need to add on the noise only on our text. For that, we need to convert it into the compound clip. As you already know, the advantage of compound clipping is that our effect it only show on the text layer. As you can see, we have not compounded it yet and it's showing on our entire background. But we want it on the text layer only, as I already said, so we have to convert into compound clip. Now look again in this video that our layer is moving a little up and down. If you want to do that, there are simple effects for this. We use vibration flash and adjust the setting according to need. So you can easily click and drag the vibration flash effect. So for the Iman Ghazi picture PNG, we need to apply a shake effect. That is very simple. Just go to effect and search for shake and click and drag. So again like I want to use this effect only Iman Ghazi picture. That's all for this hook. Now let's navigate to our browser and I will show you the usefulness of the online version of Capcut. The Capcut online version offers a lot, and if you are not using it, you are missing out so much. So here is my portfolio for 2D animation, whiteboard animation and motion graphics. In upcoming videos, I just think I will guide you on creating your own 2D animation, whiteboard or motion graphic videos. If you are interested in learning these type of videos techniques, that is very simple. So you don't need to have a very technical knowledge. It's very simple tips and tricks and a little bit of skill. So let me know in the comment. The video you are currently watching was created by me, so I designed the logo as well for this video as it's the requirement from the client. Okay, let's back to the topic. To get started, we need to log in into our Capcut, like the Capcut online version, and you will see a home page like this. Next, click on Capcut templates and use any templates you like. For example, if you select the business template, you can easily use and customize it. I use these templates for my client's video. Like for this, we just need to insert your favorite photos and videos, and the result is amazing. That is done by effortlessly. So for this template, if you look here, all the information used in this template here, like it indicates that you will need 38 clips or pictures and 21 text elements. This shows how many people have utilized this template. Now simply edit it by opening the template in a new video. You can also perform batch replacement. If you upload 15 video at once, like if you already have a folder in your drive or in your PC, so you can easily upload as a batch replacement. But if you want to add one by one, like if you prefer to do it one by one, you can make that adjustment as well. So the video add various elements and you can easily edit the templates. It's a straightforward task. Now go to the magic tool. For example, you have a long form video that your client gives you. You don't know which part of the video is more attractive or which part is more perfect fit for the cut. So you can go and get help with AI. It will create a short form video clip like for you. And also, here's the important thing. Capcut give us 3 hours every month for converting long to short form video. All you have to do is upload your long video and Capcut will automatically do the magic for you. The tool has several important features such as batch editing and video upscaling. Now I will tell you about video upscaling. I double the quality of many videos using it. For example, let me show you a video now. The resolution of this video is 640 into 360, and when we upscale this video, that is the resolution of the video will be doubled. Check here a lot of features for your use, or want to learn more about Capcut online version, and also if you want to learn about 2D animation, whiteboard animation and motion graphics, so you need to simply comment below. Make sure to like the video. That's it for today.